Okay, so let's draw some isometric pictorials. We'll do the L shape, and for now though, I'll do it on the orthographic paper, but I'm going to start with the isometric paper in case that might make it easier for you to see. I don't know. Some people like one, some people like the other. So this is what isometric paper looks like, and after drawing on it for a while, you might start seeing that there's all these little cubes in here if you know what to look for, and each set of grid lines could be a different cube depending on what you're looking at. So that's kind of how that works. We'll start by drawing the L shape in a scale of, why don't we do 1 cube equal to 2 grid lines. So you could start anywhere you want. I'm going to draw the glass box though, definitely 1, 2, 3, 4. The L shape is 2 cubes high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 3 cubes wide, and 1, 2, it's 2 cubes depth or deep. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4 to come up, and there's the front of your glass box. Then you go finish the depth, and there's the back of your glass box. Then you draw where the object touches the box. So the front face looks like this. The right side face looks like that. The top face looks like this. In the lecture video, they said, oh, why don't you come and start drawing your object lines? That's, you could do that. That's cool. I'm kind of going fast here. You would set up your ruler. Like that line, the second line I made here is, oh man, I'm going super fast. This is going to not be a great drawing, but that's okay. You take your time. And then, so that's where the object touches the box. Now let's draw what's happening inside the box. And you just pick a place to start. I'm going to start in this back corner here, and that goes down 1 cube. And then from this corner, it goes over 2 cubes. And then from this corner here, we want to make sure we draw this edge so that it looks like an edge. And then you could go over them with um, some object lines. And I've been practicing my cross hatching. Let's see how I could do here. So try to go. Really, I'm kind of rushing. The closer the lines are together, sometimes the better it looks. Oh, I forgot an object line there. Don't forget this object line right here. And then we're gonna do another set here. So far, this is all it's just 2 tones. We have where there's nothing, so that's 1 tone, and then where there's one set of like hashing. So you want to do another set to show that this front face is actually a darker tone than the right side faces. So you come back over it. Not the best. Pretty decent. Let's do it on orthographic paper now. So as I mentioned in the video, the way this is going to work is you're going to go back 2, up 1. So basically like over 2, up 1, over 2, up 1. And that'll be my base. So I did that 3 times. So I want it to be 3 wide. 1, 2, 3 for the base of our L shape, which is 3 cubes. And then you could go even, see, not like that. You want to go like this, 1, and then that's it because it's only 1 deep. How tall should it be? Now you go 1, 2, that is going to be 1 cube, and then 3, 4. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's going to look good. Just like that. So because we like did 2 cubes here, 2 squares. Okay, that's why you go 2 squares here. So 2 squares is 1 cube, 2 squares is 1 cube. Like that. I don't know if that makes sense. And then over here, down here. It's possible to do on orthographic paper. It's a little bit more of a challenge, I'll be honest, because you kind of have to make your own isometric lines. But it's definitely doable. We'll do the same process. Then the next step was 1, 2 down, and then 1, 2, oh, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, and then you come. So that's the L shape, the front face. I'm really rushing through this, so let me see if I can make these object lines be better than our construction lines here. Boom, boom, boom. Still making our object lines just like we did before. We decided to make the object lines first before continuing and drawing what's on the inside of our glass box. And now we're ready to do that. So before we went, okay, here, and then we went here, and then we went just like that. So it's the same process as before, just a little different because we're on what they call orthographic or 90-degree paper, just regular grid paper, instead of the nice isometric paper. So that's pretty decent. And then I'll do my cross-hatching again. And there you go, an L shape drawn in isometric on orthographic grid paper. That's about it. Have a great day.